Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a coin to your watch list on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom left corner, we have the market, where we have, of course, all the markets. Then we have the portfolio, the search bar, the search bar. We have the explore, and we have the more in the top bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a coin to your watch list on CoinGecko. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. You know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is, adding a token to the watchlist, you need to visit the pool page by entering the token symbol or smart contract address in the search box, or select it from the network or exchange page. On the tokens pool page, click add to watchlist. So basically you need to find a token that you of course want to go and click on. So basically like this, click on any of them. On the tokens pool page, click the add to watchlist from the option in the left corners of the page and add the main watch list to create a new list. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.